This is a brand new 2013 Ford Expedition. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and the added safety and control of four-wheel drive. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a multi-function display, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, side curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, front and rear reading lights, and an auxiliary power outlet. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Germain Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 7250 Sawmill Road in Columbus.